Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. We usually start in the kitchen, but tonight we're in the master bedroom. We're going to start our spring cleaning and declutter. Then we're going to work our way downstairs. So I hope you'll clean along with me and start thinking about your spring cleaning as well. Now, let's refresh this house. Even though I dust and wipe down this bed area all the time, it needs a little extra spring cleaning. I'm going to move the bed out of the way and dust the walls, clean the baseboards, and vacuum under the bed. Dave asked me why I didn't ask him for help to move the mattress. I probably could have used it, but he always helps me and I wanted to give him a break. Plus, this was a great workout. I was seriously sweating. If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video.
Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Wanna shake the ground.
I vacuum in our bedroom all the time, but just look at all of the clumps of hair, dust, and debris left over from Christmas decorations. Does this happen to you too?
They shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
I love these lamps, but it's difficult to dust all of the indents of the lampshade. So I'm taking an extra minute to do that today as well.
And now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us.
There was so much dust that had accumulated underneath the glass of the nightstands. I washed the glass tops with soap and water instead of the spray that I usually use.
Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
Two of my drawers really needed to be decluttered, so I just threw out the clothes onto the ground because they needed to be refolded anyway.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 now. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure.
I wanted to see if I could move the dresser away from the wall after emptying the 2 drawers, but it still wasn't light enough, so I ended up taking them all out.
Back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine.
I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me. I wonder how we did forget. Some days were
The wall behind the dresser was really dusty. I thought there were scuffs on the wall because I didn't think so much dust could build up in just a few months since the last time I did this.
When I knew you were mine.
I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and our worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and same good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and same good old snapback, floating through the street like. I wish that we could turn back time back to all of the.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that
I made 3 piles of things that didn't make it back into the drawers. A pile to donate, a pile with damaged and worn clothes to pitch, and a pile to relocate.
today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, tomorrow.
Dave made dinner for the girls before I got home from work, so he cleaned up the kitchen, but I wanted to finish straightening up the living room before bed. When I got home from work, the girls and I played in the living room before their baths. I love vacuuming and getting all of the crumbs from the cracks of the hardwood floors. I've been using the Swiffer mop with wet pads or Method wood cleaner, but it's really due for a mopping with bucket and water. If you saw one of my first videos, you saw me doing this on the porch. I do this inside with water and vinegar about once a month, but it's been longer than that this time. Now we have a clean and calm first floor to come downstairs to in the morning. Okay, that's it. I'm ready to go to bed. I was working up a sweat. I hope you have a great night, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I think it's